It's your boy, Coach K, and we back with another one. Just in case you ain't get the memo, do understand at the end of the day, you can do all the abs in the world, but you do need to focus on reducing the body fat. That's gonna be the most important thing. But like I told y'all before, me personally, I always like to start off my routines with abs. I've noticed that if I do abs at the end, 9 times 10, they don't get done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with abs. We're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do 3 sets of 10 on this one. We're gonna hop on another machine after this. I'm gonna try my best to actually try to give you a little bit of dialogue as we go along. Hopefully this is entertaining enough for you, but like I said before, make sure if you haven't already, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's get to the money. I need you to understand one thing. If you somebody that's just hopping on the machines, make sure you stop doing that. Make sure the seat is adjusted properly so that you can maximize on keeping the tension in the area that you're trying to train. Because remember, if the seat is too low, you can miss the area that you're trying to keep the resistance in. If it's too high, same thing. Make sure you kind of play with the seating position to make sure that you're at the right angle where the seat is angled correctly so that you can keep the tension in the area that you're trying to train. I did say it's gonna be 3 sets of 10, but I think we do 3 sets of 15. But then 2, I'm bringing this up because I feel like it was a little too low when I first started. We're gonna fix it up now. That's much better. And do be mindful when you're training core. If you don't already have the core strength or stability right now, focus on body weight movements. Also, even if on an intermediate or advanced level, if you're starting to incorporate weights, you don't have to do or load the abs with a lot of weight. I do want you to understand that. I see people get on this machine all the time and want to put a 45 on there. Me personally, my abs are pretty decent. I don't go over 25. 25 is more than good enough. So do understand that when you're doing a lot of this stuff, you don't have to overload a lot of these areas with weight. A few areas that you don't need to train with heavy weight and you can get great results are shoulders and abs, just to start off. I'm gonna just give you those 2. We can talk about that a whole nother time, but we got some ab work to do. 15, that's all we doing. 3 sets of 15, we're moving on.